How to search articles in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to search for articles on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application, just like this. After opening it, tap onto the search bar at the top, just right here, select it. Then simply type the keywords or topic you are interested in, such as benefits of meditation, just like this, and search for it. You can also use specific phrases like articles on meditation to narrow down results. Now from here you can simply filter your results, which are posts, communities, comments, media and people. So simply tap onto one of these and you will get the options and answers. Now choose post to see articles or discussions and then refine your search. Tap on the sort button just right here to filter the results by newest, the best, top or controversial from right here. And that's it. This is how you can search articles in Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.